In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a running total in Google Sheets. This is a powerful technique that can help you keep track of cumulative sums, such as sales, expenses, or any other numerical data that accumulates over time. So let's get started and walk through each step together. First, what we'll do is navigate to the spreadsheet where your data is stored. You'll typically have a list of numbers in one column. For the sake of this example, let's say they start in column B. Our goal is to calculate the running total in column C right alongside your initial numbers. To get started, we need to select the cell where we want our first running total to appear, which is directly next to the first number in your list. In my case, that's cell C3. With cell C3 selected, we begin by typing an equals sign, since that tells Google Sheets we're about to enter a formula. We'll use the sum function to calculate our running total. After the equals sign, type sum and then open a parenthesis. It's time to select the first value in your numeric list. For me, that's cell B3. This selection is a crucial part of setting up our running total correctly. Now, here's a key detail. We want to ensure that our formula always starts with the first entry in the list. To do this, we lock the reference to cell B3. You can achieve this by pressing F4 on your keyboard, which adds $signs before both the column letter and row number. Alternatively, you can manually type in $signs before B and 3. This step is essential because it fixes the reference point and keeps it constant as we apply the formula to other cells. After locking the reference, what we do next is add a colon. This colon tells Google Sheets that what comes next is the end of our range. Now we need to select the starting cell again, which is B3 in this case. This ensures that the formula creates a dynamic range that expands downwards, calculating a cumulative total as we go. With our formula set up in C3, the next move is straightforward yet powerful. We need to auto-fill this formula down the column to cover all the cells that need a running total. To do this, simply click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, it's called the fill handle, and drag it down. This action will extend the formula downwards, and you'll see our running totals dynamically updating as you go. And there you have it. Your running total is now in place. What's fantastic about this method is that it's dynamic. If you update any number in column B, the running total in column C adjusts automatically. This setup means you can focus on analyzing trends and making decisions without worrying about recalculating manually. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow and brings more efficiency to your data management in Google Sheets. Happy calculating!